Hi friends, here's Immigration 101 question today, and this question comes from a woman who I spoke with just recently. The question is simply whether she should submit evidence to prove that her and her husband have a bona fide marriage, a true or genuine marriage, at the time that she filed the I-130 petition for her husband. Now, this is a good question. The answer is simply yes. It's simply yes. If you take a look at the instructions for the I-130 petition, it clearly says that if your spouse is petitioning for you, you must submit certain evidence to prove that you have a bona fide marriage, a true marriage, and not a marriage to get around immigration laws. The caller said that she had only prepared the I-130 and the I-130A, and certainly she has copies of their IDs, right, like passport photos and such, and driver's license pictures, and the marriage certificate. But she did not think to include documents to prove that her and her husband have a true and bona fide marriage. So I told her, yes, you're going to need to provide some evidence. Now, the instructions say that you must provide at least one of the following types of evidence to prove that you and your spouse have a bona fide marriage. And the first set of documents that it asks for is documents to show joint ownership of property. For example, if you guys jointly own your car together or something like that, or your home mortgage or lease statement or anything like that, something to show that you have joint ownership of property. Or you can show that you guys live together. You can prove that you guys live at the same address, right? You could submit maybe a utility bill with both of your names and your address on it. Or you can submit documents to show that you guys have commingled or brought together your resources, right? So we're talking about a joint bank account statement or other financial records to indicate that you guys have commingled your resources. Or you can, if you guys have children together, you can submit the birth certificates of your children, or you can submit letters or affidavits, or which are sworn statements from your family or friends to demonstrate that they know about your relationship and your life together and they are part of your life. The government is saying yes on the front end, meaning from the time that you petition for your spouse, when you file that I-130 and that I-130A, you must also include some evidence to prove that you have a bona fide relationship with your spouse. This was an easy one. Don't ever send the government any incomplete packet. It's better to send them more evidence than less, really, because you don't want them to send you a request for additional evidence. And certainly you don't want them to return your packet to you because you didn't supply them with what they've required, okay? Required documents. I hope this was helpful to you. Guys, thank you so very much for watching this video and other videos. Thank you also for sharing my materials with other people. You never know who is going to need this, so continue to share these videos, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel where I put out videos each week, fresh new videos each week, and you will be the first to see these videos. So go ahead and hit that subscriber button before you leave YouTube today. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.